Hey guys, so today we are going to be hopefully installing my low profile headlights. Got all my shit ready for it. I just need my steering wheel because I take it off because quick release and why not. And my car mount that needs clip that I have ordered on eBay but still hasn't got here. Hopefully this week. Alright, so I'm going to be installing these lights for my headlights. Start off by taking the plastic on the headlights. So, next, we just gotta undo these screws, take out this headlight and the thing. Oh. Do you already unscrew yours?
I took the nut of the spring.
Oh. Okay. I got my dark empty soul. I have no eyes anymore. So basically what I think we're going to do is we're going to try and make a bracket like right here off of this thing. It's kind of bent from like that accident that I was in. Through here I don't think it's bent really. But yeah, it's kind of bent. I'm going to try and make a bracket off of that or something so we can put this on, because this thing has like a little mounting thing with swivel and everything. And yeah, so we decided to just use a spacer like this to go through it instead of making a bracket. Yeah, I think that's gonna be that, and we're gonna, I'm gonna just cut this to fit that headlight so it won't be round, it'll be more straight and everything, and then I don't have to make block off plates. Should we try it? Bolt it up? Okay. So we're basically getting to the point where we're starting to be able to solder and everything, because we got everything fabbed up. That side needed a spacer, this side did not, but that side had an accident, so everything's kind of bent on that side, so I'm assuming that's why we needed that. This side, there's an existing hole where one of these little plastic dust shield things they were at, and they had little plastic pop-in things. I just took the middle one out and made it wider to put the bolt through. Now we're just kind of like, I'm at a standstill right now because I'm trying to make this even with that bucket, and I just kind of want to make it the same, so I'm just going to wait for him to get done wiring and everything like that. His headlights are bright as hell. So basically I got everything cut how I want to. This side is pretty much done. Just gotta level how it's going to be because I don't know how straight these are or anything like that. Just gonna wire this side now, and then I'm gonna try and level them like at the same level as much as I can and see if that's good or if it's pointing too far up or something. I don't know. Adjusting headlights sucks. Alright, so this is a finished product. It's they're pretty damn bright. Might have to tint them a little bit because they are, I don't know, fairly bright. I like them though, they look really nice. I like the sleepy eye look. Definitely gonna probably make people mad though. Well, they're better than like the stock ones. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys have any questions about installing them, let me know because they took a while. They took a lot longer than I thought they would, but the time was worth it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.